Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to style someone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. On Poshmark, styling someone usually refers to creating a personalized bundle or closet suggestion for a buyer, especially if they are looking for a full outfit. To do it simply, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Poshmark application, then understand the buyer's preference. The buyer may comment or message you with info like size, style and favorite colors, occasion and budget, and pick items from your closet. Choose items that coordinate well together from tops, bottoms, shoes and accessories, and keep colors and pattern style in mind. The next is to create a bundle. Simply go to your closet, select all the items you want to include, and then tap on create bundle. Optionally offer a discount to make the bundle more appealing. Then next is to send the bundle to the buyer. Poshmark will notify the buyer that the bundle is ready. The buyer can purchase all the items in one transaction, and then in the bundle's comment or notes you can suggest outfit combinations, tips on sizing, layering or accessory. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.